let's go into plant protein versus meat protein. If you are just eating them from like the actual source, as in like saying there's a little bit of protein in broccoli, for example, or other plants, the plant proteins are considered incomplete proteins, and basically they don't have the full amount of amino acids your body needs every day to either rebuild muscle or maintain all the different things that happens during cell metabolism. So you would normally need to combine, say, one source of plant protein with another one to get a complete protein versus meat, and specifically just animal byproducts, basically have every single bit of protein that you need. You don't need to combine it. So, for example, a lot of times people, I'm eating rice. That's like one source of quote unquote plant protein. And then I have black beans. If you combine both those together, you're probably getting most of the complete protein. But if you just ate one or the other, you're not getting all the amino acids. So basically, the ability to rebuild proteins in your body is kind of hindered. With that said, though, plant protein supplements usually have this considered, and they pretty much have everything together. So the difference between a plant protein supplement and a meat protein, I guess whey protein, animal byproducts supplement, is going to be virtually not different. But if you're just eating the normal sources, as in like I'm eating some eggs or some chicken versus I'm eating broccoli, the even though the broccoli might have say 3 grams of protein a cup and an egg might have 7 grams of protein, they're not equal by any means. Um, yes, the supplements are. The supplements are.
So what if you don't eat meat and you eat like chicken and fish?
Yeah, same thing. Anything. If you think of an animal period, even dairy, even if you're,
Chicken and fish are still meat.
yep.
What is considered complete protein? I mean, is there
Steak.
as a number?
Yeah. So I can't remember off the top of my head, but there's basically. Are you talking about like with the amino acids or like how much per meal?
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess I'll answer both. So when I say complete protein, maybe I should describe that a little more. Basically, I think there's 21 amino acids that exist in just nature, and amino acids are little building blocks that help to make up protein. When you consume them together, your body can take them and basically make proteins with them, which not only help our muscle cells, but basically every single part of our body, our organs, our skin, everything is made up of protein. This is all protein. So if you're not getting enough of it, every aspect of your body is not going to work well.
All carbs then. No. So, but then you're getting the amino acids.
Yes, yes, yes. So when I say essential amino acids, those are amino acids that you can only get through eating food. There's non-essential ones that your body can actually produce on their own.
So what's high in
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So what's high in essential amino acids? Basically, any type of meat, even some sources of byproducts, so like dairy and that stuff. But specifically, meat and eggs, those types of things are going to be the highest. But with that said, there are essential amino acids in veggies, as I just said. Like you can get protein from veggies, you just won't get the complete amount. So when I say complete, it basically means you don't have to combine it all. Like I could eat one piece of chicken and that's complete protein because it has all the essential amino acids that I need. I think it's either 11 or 9. I can't remember which one. Um, so you don't have to supplement with other things versus, as I described earlier, you might have rice that might only have like 7 of the amino acids you need to eat, while the beans would have, a handful of others. Combining them together would make it complete. So,
legumes, and then grains that would make a complete.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yep, totally. That's just one example. There's many. You could do some Googling and find a lot of good